Hey guys, welcome to Gamity. So today we'll learn about how to make our player work. So let's get started. First we'll create a new clip which will be named as working. Oops, maybe I created it. Yes, I created it here. Move it to trash, insert animation. Okay, so here we'll create it. And then we'll move our animation window to here so that we can add the sprites here freely. Let's go to the sprites, TinySwords, factions, knights, troops, warrior, blue. Okay, so the first six sprites are idling. So the next six will be walking. So 306 from here will start walking till here. Okay, click the first one, enter the shift, click the last one, drag it to here. Now we'll move it to here. Okay, so zoom out it. Stretch it till 30. Okay. Now copy the first key. We'll add it here. Yes. So our player is now working smoothly. Now we'll make it move so that when you press the right key and it will move to right, it will start working. I guess working should be updated here. Okay. Go to the project, animation. Oh, so here it is. I'll delete this. Also this. We'll move our icon from here. Okay. We'll add it to back here again. Now let's make transition. Make transition. Okay. So here parameters. We'll add a float type which will be named as speed. Oops. Let new float speed. So click in our transition. Uh, then in the condition state, we'll add speed. If speed is greater than 0.1, then we'll move to working state. Uh, In the settings section, it has the exit time. Make sure you remove it so that the player won't lag between the state of idling and animation. Transition duration is also set to be 0 for smoothness. Now let's create a transition again from walking to idling. Also exact settings for this, and then speed less 0.1. So when the player has speed less than 0.1, then it will move to idling, which is a great thing. And then we'll move to our script. So inside the script, first we'll create So, animator variable or reference, which will be named as anim. Then inside our word fixed update, we'll start as anim dot set float, and inside I will pass the things. First, it will be our speed. Make sure the naming of it should be exactly the same as the speed. If your race is small, then it won't work. And then move input dot magnitude. So why did I write this thing? Because inside our move input, which has vector 2, our movement is stored. We move in -1 or 1. It is stored inside the move input, and the magnitude will be the root of it. So when we'll move our player, which is at the magnitude of zero point 0.1, greater than zero point 0.1, less than zero point 0.1, it will switch between the state of walking and idling. So I guess our script is now complete. Um, okay, let's save it. Move to Unity. Also, one thing you should do is that is the most crucial thing in the player movement script. Make sure your animator is inside this anime object. I guess it should be walking now. Should be. Let's see. Okay, now you can see our player is now moving down, up, right, and left. Yes. Let's boom into the enemy. Yeah. Ooh. Now it's gone. Okay. So that's it for today. Make sure you revise this thing. And in this video, most of the things done in Unity, and the work of script is less. It is the most efficient way you can do. Only 2 lines of code can make your player work. Okay, so bye bye guys.